Hello, myself Sana Dastagir from Sangli, Maharashtra. You are doing a great job, sir. Teaching from scratch to advanced level. It's like mastering a software. Today nobody gonna give these much content in the amount you are providing, really appreciable. Thank you for your great efforts, that is really informative and helpful. Keep it up.
Hello, I am Suresh from Hyderabad, Telangana. Thank you so much for such a fantastic course. I learned a lot of practical experience from it. Based on classes we can start work independently. Thank you once again.
Hello, myself Jafar from Nanded, Maharashtra. Thank you so much, sir, for your informative course. From the course content I have learned very important things which can be helpful to implement in designing a structure. I really feel very happy to share my gratitude towards you and your team, sir. Once again, thanks a lot, sir.
Hello, I am Bikas from Nepal. This course is 100% worth it. This course gives in-depth knowledge about RCC structural system along with background theory and practical aspect. I am overwhelmed with my decision to take the course and will continue to do such courses in future. Thank you for giving such a great opportunity.
Hello, myself Ritesh from Palghar, Maharashtra. Thank you so much for such a fantastic course. This training session was very interesting and I enjoyed the course and learned a lots of technical knowledge. Great presenting approach with plenty of opportunities to ask questions. Really enjoyable, informative and instructive course.
Hello, I am Anil from Nepal. Many thank you. I am very happy that I got a chance to study and got to learn a lot. The course content here is very good and very helpful, very nice way of teaching, I enjoy it a lot.
Hello, myself Nazia from Hyderabad, Telangana. In today's competitive era, SSC is a wise choice for civil engineers. Under the guidance of SSC, I smartly learned how to simplify and apply the vast field of his codes into software like ETABS and RCDC. SSC is doing quite commendable job. I really appreciate SSC team efforts, management and compassionate support to students. I am really grateful to Almighty and team SSC.
Hi, I am Veena from Nanded, Maharashtra. I really liked the flexibility of the course. I learnt a lot. It was well planned and laid out, easy for me to follow. Thank you for an incredible course. Great presentation style with lots of opportunities to ask questions and talk about the real life projects, which all made for a really didactic and informative course.
Hello, myself Chandra Dev from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thank you so much, sir, for teaching me this course. The way of teaching explained to us very well in very simple language which we never felt bored. I have learned a lot from you, like technical thing and related to software. You have given knowledge in a better than what I expected.
Hello, I am Kamil from Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much for such a fantastic course. I enjoyed the course and learned a lot from it. The content and delivery style were easy to follow. Great presenting approach with plenty of opportunities to ask questions and discuss real life situations, resulting in a really enjoyable and instructive course.
I am Akila from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The course training program is well organized. Mainly it covered all major important basic technical aspects of our civil engineering applications. The trainer is very much approachable to contact and get queries clarified. The entire course program is well thought of.
Myself Deepak from Palghar, Maharashtra. Thank you so much, sir, for such amazing course. This training session was fully informative and interesting. I learned the software with technical knowledge in full detail with proper implementation of his codes. Thank you again.